Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to use WhatsApp Business on multiple device mode. So basically WhatsApp Business multiple device mode allows you to use your account on up to 5 devices, 1 primary phone and 4 additional devices simultaneously without needing to keep your primary phone connected to the internet. You will need to re-authenticate with your primary phone every 14 days to keep linked device connected. So the process of linking device include: open up your WhatsApp on the app or the desktop itself. So go to WhatsApp Business and open that up. Once you open up WhatsApp Business, you want to make sure to go ahead and use your same account or maybe a different one. So once you've linked your information or the phone number, you just want to make sure to go and enable all sort of permissions. Now then, you just want to go ahead and click onto the three dot icon at the top right hand side corner of the screen here, and you can see link device, right? So over here you can see link device. So when you click on link device, you will then be prompted to enter in the biometric, and all you need to do is scan the QR code onto a different device, and you'll have successfully linked your devices on or linked your account on multiple device mode. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.